Welcome to Cointiply, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm here to share with you all my last withdrawal proof. Yes, I shared the live withdrawal some few moments ago, and now I want to show you the history and how tokens have been received on my wallet. I've got a notification a while ago, but I was busy. So we are on Cointiply, a PTC earning platform where you complete easy tasks and earn rewards. You can earn up to $100 from the referral contest. You can view ads, you can participate in surveys of awards, and a lot of other opportunities to earn. So I'm going to skip all of that and save us some time. I'll leave some of the videos I made to those regards in the description box, so you go watch them to catch up. So for this purpose of our withdrawal proof, we click on menu here, click on account, click on cash out. So when this opens, I want us to check our withdrawal history. This right here shows confirmed, right? So I requested this withdrawal, almost 1 LTC. That was 418,607 coins, right? And the value was 0.9682 because I chose on my withdrawal token to be in LTC. Now let's go over to my Bybit where I request withdrawal to. So we're on Bybit here, and let's click on notifications here. Click on system notification, and the last notification, a deposit notification, and it says this has been received. That's 0.968237999 LTC, right? Succeeded. Back to my wallet, click on assets here. Now LTC is here, and my current balance is equivalent to 41.82 USD, right? So that's it. Payment has been received, which goes on to prove that the platform is still paying even at the moment, right? So guys, go try out Cointiply. You have multiple earning options. You cannot, even if you don't want to even use the platform, you can just register, invite people, and who knows, you can get enlisted for the monthly referral contest, and $100 could be yours without betting an eyelid. So thanks. You found my link in the pinned comment. Jump on it, register, and start earning. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.